funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I've been to Street Lab again, picking up another pair of Nike SB. I'm absolutely not a skateboarder, I'm just an old guy that like comfortable shoes, and Nike SB Dunks are usually comfortable. And I don't know anything, I wouldn't say anything, but this brand, April Skateboard, started by Shane O'Neill in 2019, and that's a group of skateboarders. One of the guys is I forgot his name. I got his SB's, the Japanese guy. Never mind. So it's a skateboard team that's called April Skateboarding. And I know that Shane is from Australia, but I actually have no idea at all about the colors or the roses, but let me show you the shoes. So why I like them is, of course, for the color, turbo green. I think they're called turbo green, maybe not. Racer blue, so I was wrong. Racer blue, metallic silver, argent metallic. All right, but to me they look absolutely more green than blue. So I like the color, and the leather is really, really soft. And people already say that this is the best SB release of the year, yada, yada, yada. The tongue was different. So we have the mesh tongue. Hopefully we'll show you some B-rolls details. We have the mesh tongue, but it's not mesh. It's like mesh tongue in a silicone wrap or something. But what I do like, except from the color, is also something that I was wrong about. I thought that the sides were going to be mesh like the old SB Dunks, like the first SB Dunks. Oh, I missed those shoes. I gave them away to a homeless guy that I later saw barefoot, so he didn't use them. But anyway, the first SB Dunks that had the very breathable mesh, and I'm not going to talk about those, but those were great. So to these shoes, we have the April text, April, and I'm not super happy with the chrome Nike swoosh. It is cool, it is absolutely really chrome, and it's sort of plastic, and it's cut out from the mesh. So yeah, it's kind of cool. And on this one it says Nike, so Nike, April Nike. And what I also like is the roses underneath the clear sole. And the rumor was earlier this year that this clear sole was so hard to produce, so the shoes would be limited and hard to get, and maybe not even released at all. But I actually have no idea why Shane chose to have the rose on the sole and also on the inside, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, so here we have the air sole and the pad, I don't know what it's called, but here's the comfort thing in the sole, and here we have the rose, and the other sole is just the same. So I actually don't have a clue at all about the silver chrome rose with a ring around it, and I'm pretty sure that's kind of same rose, yeah, but what it stands for I have no idea. And the they have dropped several really cool pair of SB Dunks this summer. Um, Two of them, I think I have them all actually. Most of them at least. Two of them were tight. Uh, these does not look as narrow. I will put them on and let you know what it feels like. And what I like is that this new extra padded thing in the heel, because SB Dunks are supposed to be worn and torn and easy to put on and off. Just put your foot in and that's it. So I think that's it. I thought it was a story on the tongue, but no, it's not. Just Nike logo, yada yada yada. We have leather on the tongue. This really nice soft leather. Clear sole, and the green part is sort of like misused numbuk. Yeah. Kind of cool shoe. Not the perfect one, but I just entered the raffle. Just if I get them, I get them, and I got them. And I learned a lot about this whole raffle thing. Actually, I thought that when we enter a raffle, there is a computer program that shows the winners in each size. But no, Streetlab told me that they spent half a day to just go through the mails. And first of all, if you have entered, they told me there are at least 10 people that have entered at least 10 times with the same name and mail, you're gone directly. Then they checked if you follow Streetlab on Instagram or not. If you're not, you're gone. And yeah, a bunch of things I learned about this whole raffle thing. I thought it was just automatically a robot, a computer program, but it's not. So yeah, once again, very nice done of Streetlab. I talk too much because I'm tired. Let's put them on. We have an extra laces that are exactly the same. Yeah. Or just not with the metal anglets, tips, but white SB laces, two of them. One with the chrome ends and the other one seems to be just your standard. Yeah, just your standard one. I just want to show you how easy and wrong I think you're supposed to put on your SBs. Yeah, like that. So I usually untie them a bit from the factory tying. But yeah. So that's how sloppy I put on and off my SBs. I put them on, yeah. That's why I like that new extra padded thing in the heel and the thick tongue. And I forgot to feel if they were true to size, but they felt absolutely right away. And yeah, of course I'm gonna remove that extra laces. Yeah, true to size and not as narrow as the earlier SB Dunks that have been released this year. These are comfortable and good looking. So yeah, that's it. An old man review of SB Dunk Low that is not called Turbo Green. Thanks for watching.